Good morning, grade 4. Now I will explain the approximation nearest tenth or approximation one decimal. This is the same meaning. One decimal, it is the same meaning of approximation nearest tenth. At grade 5, we will explain you the approximation nearest hundredths or two decimal and approximation nearest thousandths or three decimal. Now, before I start and explain this lesson, I should remember you should remember the brother rule. The brother rule, when I want to convert any fraction to decimal number, I should look at the denominator. If I have 5, I should multiply by 2. If I have 5, I should multiply by 2 to get the answer 10, to make denominator equal 10. If I have 4, I should multiply by 25. If I have 25, I should multiply by 4 to get 100. If I have 8, I will multiply by 125. Or if I have a 125, I should multiply by 8 to get 1000. Let's go. Now I want to approximation nearest tenth, so that I will do the same steps of the previous lesson. I should mention the 10th digit. 0 here is unit digit. And 5 here is 10th. Excellent. This is 10th digit. And 4 is 100th digit. Now I want to approximation nearest tenth, so that I should determine the 10th digit. The previous digit is 100th is weak. What I can do if I find the previous digit is weak? I don't increase 5 by any one. I will write 5 again. But before write 5, I should replacement the 100th digit by 0 and write 5 as it without any increasing, and write decimal point and write 0 in unit digit. The next example, the 10th digit here is 4, the previous digit is 8. It is strong, so that I will replacement 8 by 0 and 4 will be increased by 1, become 5, and write decimal point. After that I write unit digit as it. Now I have fraction. What I can do? I should convert it, mister, to decimal number. Excellent. How I convert this fraction to decimal number? Denominator is 8, mister. I will do multiplication by 125 to make denominator equal 1000. Excellent. So that I will do multiplication by 125 up and down. 5 times 5 equal 25. I will write 5 and carry up 2. 5 multiply 2 equal 10. 10 plus 2 equal 12. I will write 2 and carry up 1. 5 multiply 1 equal 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So that 5 multiply 125 becomes 625. 8 multiply 125 equal 1000. Mister, I can't understand you. This fraction you convert it to fraction again. Where is the decimal number? Okay, attention with me. If I have 3 zeros, I will write numerator again, 625, and count from right. 3 numbers and put decimal point. 1, 2, 3. I will write decimal point and write 0 in unit digit. Why you put decimal point after 3 numbers? Because they have 3 zeros in denominator. After that, I will determine the 10th digit. The 10th digit here is 2, and the previous the 10th digit here is 6, and the previous digit is 2. 2 is weak, mister, so that 6 is still 6 again. Oh, mister, you forget to replacement thousandths digit and hundredths digit by 0. Okay, excellent. I will replacement 5 by 0 and replacement 2 by 0 and write 6 again without any increasing and write decimal point and 0 in unit digit. The next one. The 10th digit here is 3 and the previous digit is 3. 3 is weak, so that I will replacement the 3 in hundredths digit by 0 and write 3 again without any increasing and write decimal point and write 1 in unit digit again. The next one. The 10th digit here is 9 and the previous digit is strong. The strong, mister, remember be by strong and weak. This is weak numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the strong numbers is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9, the previous digit is strong, so that I will increase 9 by 1. What's the first step? I should replacement 5 by 0. Excellent. I will increase 9 by 1, become 10. Can I write 10, all of 10 here? No, mister. You should write 0 and don't forget the decimal point and carry up 1 at the 0 in unit digit. 1 plus 0 equal 1. Now, when I read this number, I will read it 1.00. Mister, I can't benefit by this zeros at the right of decimal point, so that you can cancel it. You can write the answer, the final answer is 1. When I write 1.00, it can't benefit me, so that the answer will be 1. Yes, this is mixed number, mister. What I can do? The first step, you should convert it to decimal part or decimal numbers to help you to approximate nearest tenth. So that I have in denominator 4, what the brother of 4? The brother of 4 is 25. So that I should multiply by 25 up and down. 1 times 25 is 25. 4 times 25 is 100. And write whole number again. So that the answer will be 15. Point. I have two numbers in numerator and two zeros in denominator, so that I will write 25. And be sure the decimal point after two numbers starting from right. This one number to two numbers, so that I am right. Okay, the 10th digit here is 2, the previous is 5, so that the 2 will be increased by 3. Okay, so that I will replacement 5 by 0 and the 2 become 3 and write decimal point and write 15. This answer will be 15 and 30 hundredths. This is the same steps. Complete the answer of this example, and homework is page 43 at school book. Thank you.